Good morning, everyone. Today is 20th of October, and I'm Shuchi Runta here presenting the morning market update. The Nifty closed 25 points up at 17,512 yesterday. It opened gap up but saw some selling pressure from the highs. The short term trend on the intraday charts are up. Technically, if we look at the historic prices on the charts, 17,500 to 600 zone had acted as important support zone, break of which the index had tested the 17,000 odd levels. Hence, the support break turns into a resistance now, so some selling pressure at these levels are likely. On the downside, 17,300 to 350 zone where the gap was created will act as a strong support. India VIX is at 17.5 levels. The rally yesterday was led by Reliance, whereas Bank Nifty had a muted price action. The option chain shows good amount of open interest standing at 17,500 strike, both on the call and the put side. We saw some good open interest built up on the 17,600 call strike also yesterday. FIIs were sellers and have sold over 450 crores in the cash market. In options also, they sold over 14,950 contracts of calls and bought over 68,000 contracts of puts, clearly stating their bearish stance. International markets yesterday had a volatile trading day with a bearish bias, losing around 0.5% as bond yields continue to strengthen further. Dollar index trends strong over 113 levels. Some important Nifty stocks like ITC, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, Tata Consumer, ICICI, and few others will be in focus ahead of September quarter earnings today. SGX Nifty is 146 points down, indicating a negative opening. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 17,404 and 17,320. Resistance 17,600 and 17,650. Bank Nifty support will be seen at 40,140 and 39,970. Resistance 40,436, 40,560. Thank you.